Hey everyone, let's be real. Creating marketing and sales collateral can feel like more work than closing the actual sale. Fonts, layouts, messaging, it's an endless cycle. But what if you could snap your fingers and generate fully designed, on-brand PDFs and PowerPoints in just a few clicks? Well, now you can, thanks to Dreamwriter. Dreamwriter is an AI-powered platform that helps you create marketing campaigns and sales collateral in record time. No more struggling with design or copy. Just upload your logo, enter your website, and let the AI do the work. Whether you're a marketer, an agency, or a SaaS company, Dreamwriter makes sure your content is always on brand and tailored to your audience. So how does it work? It's super simple. First, upload your brand assets, logo, colors, and even connect Google Analytics for deeper personalization. Next, choose your target audience by industry, role, or use case. Then, let Dreamwriter generate fully designed content, whether it's a sales deck, a marketing brochure, or a campaign PDF. Need help with writing and design? Meet Dreamy, your AI-powered assistant. It suggests content topics, scales your campaign efforts, and even helps refine messaging to boost conversions. And here's the cherry on top. You can collaborate with your team in real time. Edit, tweak, and finalize content together, then export everything in PDF or PPT format, ready to send or present. Simple, seamless, and efficient. With Dreamwriter, you can create sales and marketing materials that actually match your brand, without the hassle. So why waste time struggling with design and copy when you can automate it? Click the link below to get lifetime access to Dreamwriter today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more game-changing tools to power your business. See you in the next one.